Okay, hello Naturalistas. How are you all? Sorry, it's been a while. I've been kind of busy and I've not been able to have any class with you guys on oils as I promised. Well, as of 2 weeks ago, I dropped some oils for our usual lecture, and these oils are the cinnamon oil, the mint oil, and then the peppermint oil. Now these oils are all pepperish oil, like they are all hot oils. Yes, so and I asked you to choose one of them, but then there was kind of a funny bylot in here, in the sense that one person went for mint and another person went for peppermint. So this is it here. Peppermint oil and mint oil are almost the same thing. Yes, they are almost the same thing. Now this is it. They contain the same kind of flavor, which is the menthol. Now this is where the difference between the mint oil and the peppermint oil comes in. The peppermint oil now has a higher flavor of menthol, while the mint oil has a lower flavor of menthol. Can you see the difference here? They are almost the same kind of oil. In fact, they are the same kind of oil to a certain extent, because with the plant itself, they look almost alike. The difference is the mint is a bit flat and then the peppermint is sharp, like it's slimmer. Yes, but they all belong to the same family. Yes, so this is it here now. The peppermint is about 40% of menthol, while the mint is about 0.5% of menthol. That's really small, not even up to 1%. So that is to tell you the peppermint oil is very hot, and that is why it's even called peppermint. You can see the pepper in it, exactly. So this is it now. The peppermint oil now is basically used for hygiene purposes and medical purposes. That is, they are usually used mostly for those our balms, all those hot treatment balms. Yes, and also for hygiene purposes. But then the mint oil is a bit more friendlier, which is used in herbal forms, like it's a herb. It's categorized as a herb. It could be used in food, it could be used in tea, and then it could also be used in beverages like juice. Yes, it has the menthol flavor, it's friendly, and it could be used for those purposes as well. So coming to the benefit of mint and peppermint oil on the skin. Now relatively, when it comes to skincare, peppermint oil is not considered for skincare. Yes, because of its extent of heat. It could actually cause irritation, it could inflame, it could cause redness for sensitive skin, especially skins that are light skin. So when it comes for cosmetic use, peppermint oil is not used for cosmetic purposes. Even used in balms, you could imagine when you are forced, maybe you have an injury and you're forced to use it on your skin. It's not funny. Yeah, so usually it's not used for cosmetic purposes. The mint is better. Yes.